Telecom Systems, with its long experience in the fire-resistant cable field, is proud to present to you one of our latest products, the FLOWGUARD fiber optic cable, what we consider the next generation of fire-resistant cable. FLOWGUARD fiber optic cable is our new generation of fire-resistant cable for use as emergency circuit for alarm and communication systems in tunnel, railway station, hospital, airport, and many more. It is the best choice when circuit integrity and safety are key points to secure people. Thanks to the Fibre Reinforced Plastic armouring, the FLOWGUARD optic cable is flexible and has low bending radius, making it easier to handle and install than steel armoured cables. This cable is waterproof, designed to operate under a wide range of temperatures, and its FRP armouring provides a high level of rodent protection. The FRP armouring is also fully dielectric, which means no electrical grounding. And the micromodules are hand-peelable for an easy access to the fibers and simple to install into closures. To be more specific, some of FLOWGUARD main features include a 120 minutes fire resistant following the European standard EN 5200 and B2CA fire performance meeting the CPR European regulation. The product is available in two formats, up to 36 fiber with 6 fiber per micromodules, and up to 72 fiber with 12 fiber per micromodules in single mode and multi-mode fibers. The FLOWGUARD cable has already been successfully deployed in tunnels and public buildings in Belgium, Norway, France, and many other European countries. Thanks to FLOWGUARD, our team is proud to contribute to public safety in the world. Thank you.